next is the sum of the first 100 terms. And if you remember, the sum of the first 100 terms, we did note it like this, S sub 100. That just means the sum of the first 100 terms. So you start with the first one, you add the second one, the third one, and so on. Now 100 is a very big number, and if you were to do it individually, because the question is not restrictive, you are just told to find that sum. If you wanted to add up 100 numbers, you'd first have to work out what all those 100 numbers are, and then add them continuously like that, and that would take you a very long time. But luckily for us, we have a formula. Now I'll write the general formula for the sum of the first n terms. This is what it looks like, S sub n. This is equals to n over 2 to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. I'm always running, there's a d here, you can't see it. Okay, I'm always running out of space, but I'm sure you know the formula already. So to find the sum of the first 100 terms, all I will do is substitute. I have n is 100. A sub 1, it's given to us in the question, it is 4. And then d, we worked it out in the first part of the question, which is 3. So all we need to do is substitute. So I'll just rewrite it here. A sub 100. N, we said, is 100. So we have 100 over 2, and then 2 multiplied by a1, which is 4, and then n minus 1, so this is 100 minus 1 times d. D we said is 3, or we worked it out and showed that it is 3, and then we close our bracket. Okay, so here there's nothing difficult to do. All we have to do is punch it in on the calculator, get the answer, and if you've done that correctly, I think the answer is 15,250. Okay, and that is a pretty big number to get to, especially if you're adding small numbers, like you start with 4, 7, 10. To get to 15,250 is going to take you a while, but that is the answer, and very simple to do. Just apply the formula. So you need to actually know the formula. Okay, so no formulas are provided for you in the examination paper, so this is one of the formulas that you do need to know.